Hello everyone, my name is Rodney. I'm from Formula Lookout. In today's video, we're going to address one of a use case posted by one of the users on Monday.com. It looks like he's running an architecture company, and he has set up two boards actually, one an overview board and one for individual boards. So let's go through this. The description that he has posted looks like he's trying to have the start date, particularly the start date and the end date, um, as a general column for the overview board, right? And then in the actually, start date and end date is then a general column or a column he's using for the individual project boards. But in the individual project boards, he also has tasks or items that pertain only to that project. All right, so like proposed and actual install dates, application and start end dates. So there's like 8 total tasks that he didn't reveal the others. So if we go through, scroll down, we'll notice that our user here is actually having a concern, because if you try to sync that with another board, you'd naturally be using the mirror column and the connect boards column, which adds more columns, and it's not so easy on the eyes. Okay, so here he also had that. He's still using the mirrored date columns. So let me show you how he set it up, and also how same item multiple boards, that's an app developed by Formula Lookout, is going to help us address his concern. So we've set up 4 boards in total. Let's go over the first 2. So we have the individual mirrored board and also the overview mirrored board, just to properly name it, and to link it to his concern. So we have the individual mirrored setup with information already. So we have all projects group and the ABC project group pertaining to this item in the all projects group. So in the all projects group, we can notice, you notice actually that there's 2 more columns in here, that this is the one he's pertaining to. It's not easy on the eyes, because if you're going to sync it, or to sync it to another board, you'll have to have these 2 columns, which is the connect boards column and the mirror column. Okay, and in the mirror column, you have to select which column you're going to mirror, right? So here, let's go to another set of 2 boards that is set up, which actually is syncing. So let me show you how this works. But first off, before we go over that, make sure to have installed same item multiple boards. It's a featured app right now in the marketplace. This is the one. Just click on it and go through the authorization process. Once you have that installed, you have the capability to add any item to another board and make it live as if it is also there. So by that, let me demonstrate, like ABC projects. Right now, if you notice, it has a status of working on it. And here in the overview SIMB, it's working on it, right? So let's say we're going to change this to stock. Okay, once we go to the overview, it's already stuck. Okay, let's try to change this to done. And the overview, it changes to done. So it does that. It sync that the columns in here to another board without the need for the mirror or the connect boards column. So let me show you this time how we're going to do it on a board level. That was the item level of syncing. So in the board level of syncing, you'll have any item added in here to be synced to another board. So let's go to integrate. Okay, this is the integrate automation center. Just look for same item multiple boards. If you type that in and it's not appearing yet, just wait for it. It's probably populating. Okay, click on it, and then we're going to use, there's like a lot of integration workflows available. We're going to use, when an item is created, also add this item to board and group. Okay, so we're going to click on use template. It will automatically load for you the screen for you to use that template of the integration. Okay, so we now have, when an item is created, also add this, and we're pertaining to the individual SIMB board. All right, so we're going to select on the overview SIMB, and the group If you have a lot of groups inside the board, then you'll have the opportunity to actually select which one you'd like to have it sync. And then we're going to add a board, and then the screen confirms with you that it's already on and active. Let's click on close, and then we're going to, that's ABC projects, right? And now what we're going to do is we're going to add DEF projects. Okay, so now you have that there, and you have a, let's try to change the status. Okay, status to working on it. And now we'll go to overview. It's now working on it. If you notice earlier, something appeared here, word copy, but later on it vanishes. All right, so just don't mind that. Okay, so that's the board level. If I haven't gone through the item level yet, by the way, let me just go through that real quick, because when I started the video, okay, so here we can maybe use this instead. Okay, so you should have this same item multiple boards. If not, just click on the add view and then search for the same item multiple boards to add that to your item. And from here, you can do it on an item level. Okay, so like this one is not synced yet to any board, right? So, all right, so that's how you're going to use same item multiple boards to address concerns like having too many columns that you need to have show up and just to sync those. All right, again, so this is Rodney from Formula Lookout, and I hope you have a nice day. Thanks.